And the races on St. Mark, Livingstone, RGA, Bonjing Legacy, Danori Inside, Catmate, Terrace Magic, Live in Manila. Livingstone, the favorite by Sam Tulens, Bonjing Legacy. St. Mark racing in third by Daryl is Terrace's Magic, Live in Manila, RGA, and Cat Maze running by Daryl. Inside the last 650, Livingstone, Bonjing Legacy, Terrace's Magic, live in Manila from the outside St. Mark. RG and Cat May still running at the tail of the field. Last 450, Livingstone live in Manila. Teresa's Magic, Bonjing Legacy, Cat May, RGA, St. Mark as they swing for home. Livingstone live in Manila from the outside, Bonjing Legacy. And here comes Cat May. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. Livingstone live in Manila, Cat May making ground down on the inside. Live in Manila, Cat May down on the inside. Live in Manila, Cat May by Darrell and Fanny. Close live in Manila, Cat May. Livingstone, RGA, Teresa's Magic, Bonjing Legacy, St. Mark comes last.